because y'all not holding it tight to your shoulder.
Huh.
You know, it's not gonna cycle. You gotta lock it in.
That'll make your whole body go. Ready? Safety out?
Yeah.
Safety's out? Vera, just pull the trigger when it's time. Ready? I'm gonna throw.
Good job.
Good. Ready?
Wait, safety. How you do safety? Okay.
It's off, man.
It wouldn't have stopped.
If you hit it before me, I'm gonna be mad.
Hey, I need a hand over here, somebody.
I mean, you guys, I can't throw it. I don't have enough arm strength.
You
Or
really
else I
gotta
would.
Ready?
No, it on. Chipped it.
You're shooting well, though.
It's all little dots. I think the guy would be dead by now.
Yeah, he'd be bleeding.
So yeah.
We need to paint like a little Osama bin Laden beard.
You gotta spray it though, but it's just simple. You spray it.
Whoa,
You
girl.
taking his life away.
It's like, no, please. Go for a headshot. Or not. Go for the kill.
You got a small spray, and ain't got no.
Ooh.
Nice.
I think he just blew his arm up.